Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study maths easily. To begin, always ensure you have a strong grasp of the fundamental concepts. Think of it like building a house. A solid foundation is crucial. Spend time mastering basic arithmetic, algebra, and geometry. This initial effort will save you countless hours later, making more advanced topics much more approachable and less intimidating. Consistent practice is absolutely essential for mastering mathematics. Dedicate at least 15 to 20 minutes each day to solving problems. Don't just do the easy ones. Challenge yourself with a variety of problem types. When you make a mistake, view it as a learning opportunity. Analyze where you went wrong and understand the correct approach for next time. Engage actively with the material and leverage all available resources. Don't hesitate to ask questions in class. Chances are others have the same query. Explore online tutorials and videos, which often present concepts in new, understandable ways. Forming a study group can also be incredibly beneficial. Explaining a concept to someone else is one of the best ways to solidify your own understanding. Finally, cultivate a positive and resilient mindset towards mathematics. It's not about being naturally good at it, but about consistent effort and belief. Try to connect mathematical concepts to real-world scenarios. This can make them more tangible and interesting. When faced with a challenging problem, break it down into smaller, more manageable steps. This approach makes even the most daunting tasks achievable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.